Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a DA91 backlink that is do follow, that is contextual, it will bring you traffic, and it's indexable. The method, the tip, the tactic, the technique on how to create a do follow, high quality, contextual backlink is what we are going to teach you today. So there's two methods, there's two techniques for this link building video. The first one I'm going to show you is a regular backlink, but if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'm going to show you something that you have yet to see anywhere else, how to create a contextual, powerful backlink for your link building campaign. And you're going to need two things in order to accomplish the creation of this backlink. Now, those two things are you will need an aged Reddit account. There's tons of tutorials on how to create this or buy them or get them. That's not what we're doing here. The second piece that you will need is your own subreddit. Again, very simple to do in 2020. So let's stop wasting time. Let's quit talking. Let's get right into this video. So the first thing you're going to need is we're going to go to the old Reddit first and foremost. So we're going to go to the old Reddit. This is link type 1. It will be a do follow, but this is the first method that I'm going to show you. Once you are inside the old Reddit, what you will want to do, and we'll leave up the Moz bar so I can show you the do follows, no follows, and whatnot. But once you're inside of the old Reddit, you're going to go up here to the top right-hand corner or My Reddits. You're going to find your Reddit that you've created and go into your Reddit. Now, once you're inside of your Reddit on the old Reddit platform, you're going to go over here to the right-hand side. And as you can see, I've already created one. So we'll go ahead and highlight. As you can see, the followed are green, the no follows are purple. If I revert your eyes over here to the right-hand side, as you can see, there is a link here. I highlighted it. Now, no follows are purple, as you can see. Do follows are green. So I was able to put an anchor text, this is contextual, along with insert a link. Now, this is on the old Reddit. However, this page is indexable. It creates a do follow that's contextual. So how do you do this? So in order to create this backlink, you're going to go to your moderation tools, which is on your right-hand side, right here, moderation tools, and go to your subreddit settings inside of the old Reddit. So you'll click on the subreddit settings, and then this box will go ahead and show up. Now, in the top here, as you can see, you can create your title, but there is a description and a sidebar. So what you want to do is you can go ahead and put this into both. Now, the one that we've created that I'm showing that shows up over here is right here. So you put the brackets for the anchor text, and then you put in parentheses your backlink as showcased here. Now, I'll give you a moment to go ahead and take a look. This is the type of code. I believe it's called Markdown code. So this is Markdown code for inserting backlinks or inserting anchor text and a link into your old Reddit. So again, as you can see here, this is a do follow. And just for the sake of a tip, we're going to put test inside of the bracket, and then we're going to put a link to, and then we'll go ahead and go down here to save settings, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look once it's saved in there. And as you can see, we have the initial SEO expert, and then right here is the test. So what I just created is now here, it's a contextual do follow. It's on a DA91 platform, PA52, and as you can see here, do follow. Now that you've made it this far, now that you know how to create the contextual do follow backlink through the old platform, let me show you the brand new technique for creating a high quality do follow backlink that's DA91 through the new Reddit. Now, this has not been disclosed anywhere else, so I'm glad that you've made it this far. So let me go ahead and walk you through that process now. And we want to head into your subreddit. So you'll take away the old Reddit and put in your subreddit. Now we're heading into the regular platform. This is the new layout, the new theme for reddit.com. You're going to head over here. This is what it'll look like in moderation of your subreddit account that you've created. So right here, there's a button that says Mod Tools. What you will want to do is click on Mod Tools in the right-hand corner. It's right here. I'll go ahead and highlight it for you. See? Now you will click on Mod Tools, short for Moderation Tools. After that, a page will show up just like this, obviously. And you're going to scroll on down over here in the left-hand side. So what you are looking for is menu links. So that's right here under structure. So here's structure. Here is menu links. So you'll click on menu links. Now, when you're on menu links, you're going to see a tab right here that says create new tab. So you're going to click on create new tab, create a link tab, which is right here. And then you're going to name your title. Now, the title is the contextual part of this link. So in this case, I'm going to write SEO training, and then the URL is going to be to my website. So you will go ahead and put in your link. So for this instance, we're just going to put in a link to my site, to my landing page for getting in contact with me. We will save that. And then in order to prove that this is just not a moderator webpage, first and foremost, let's make sure that it's a do follow. Green is do follow. Purple is no follow. So green, as you can see, it's a do follow link going directly to my website that is contextual. Now, not only that, let's go over to the incognito, so you know that it's just not showing up in the moderation tools. So a new incognito window, we're going to paste in the address to my subreddit. Now that we're on the subreddit, right here in the very top is a new tab that's a contextual link to my website, directly to my landing page to get in contact with me for training, testing, our groups, services, whatever the case may be. So as you can see, we'll go open a new link and bam, right to the landing page. So in this video, we covered 2 ways to create a DA91 backlink. These links are contextual for both platforms. These links are indexable for either platform. I've seen old Reddit links on Google indexed. I've seen new posts indexed. These pages are able to be discovered by the public, so they are able to generate traffic, which is a huge factor. So links are creating traffic. The propensity of a link to be clicked increases the power of the link. So we know that the traffic factor is really boosting up this backlink. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions regarding this SEO backlink creation video, if you have questions about link building, how to create backlinks, how to build backlinks, if you have any questions about off-page SEO, on-page SEO, technical SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram, really anything digital marketing related, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next off-page SEO, how to create backlinks video. Have a wonderful day.